Breaking up with someone you care about is one of the toughest experiences we all face. Whether it was sudden or something you saw coming, getting over your ex-girlfriend can feel like an impossible task. But here's the good news. You can move on, and I'm here to show you how to do it and avoid getting overly attached again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something everyone goes through at some point: getting over an ex. It's never easy and it can feel like your world has been turned upside down. But here's the thing. Just because it feels tough now doesn't mean you can't come out stronger on the other side. So let's talk about how to get over your ex-girlfriend and make sure you never fall into that trap of getting overly attached again. Step 1. Embrace the pain. I know it sounds counterintuitive. Who wants to feel pain, right? But avoiding or numbing your feelings only prolongs the process. It's okay to feel sad, angry, or even lost for a while. Allow yourself to grieve the end of the relationship. This might mean taking some time alone, journaling your thoughts, or even having a good cry. The key is not to suppress your emotions, but to let them flow naturally so you can start healing. Now, this one's tough, but it's absolutely essential. Break all contact with your ex. That means no texting, no late-night calls, and definitely no checking her social media. Every time you interact, you're giving yourself false hope and reopening the wound. It's like trying to heal a cut, but constantly picking at it. The best thing you can do for yourself is to go cold turkey. It's difficult at first, but it's one of the most effective ways to move on. Once you've set those boundaries, it's time to reclaim your life. Think back to the things you enjoyed before the relationship: hobbies, passions, goals. Now is the perfect time to dive back into them, or even explore something new. Whether it's getting back into the gym, picking up an old hobby, or learning a new skill, the idea is to focus on your personal growth. Not only does this help distract you from the breakup, but it also helps you rebuild your confidence and sense of self. Don't go through this alone. One of the worst things you can do after a breakup is isolate yourself. Reach out to friends and family who care about you. Share your feelings, vent if you need to, and let them remind you of who you are outside of the relationship. If you feel like you need more support, don't hesitate to talk to a therapist. Sometimes an outside perspective can offer the guidance you need to move forward. So you've taken steps to get over your ex, but how do you make sure you don't get too attached in future relationships? The answer lies in maintaining a healthy balance. When you start dating again, remember that it's important to keep your own life in focus. Don't make your new partner the center of your universe. Continue to nurture your hobbies, friendships, and personal goals. By doing this, you ensure that you're not relying on someone else for your happiness, which helps prevent the cycle of over-attachment. Also, don't rush into anything. Take the time to really get to know someone before you dive in head first. Building a relationship slowly allows you to see the person for who they really are and ensures that your connection is based on something solid and real, not just infatuation. To sum it all up, getting over your ex-girlfriend is a journey, one that takes time, patience, and a lot of self-compassion. By embracing the pain, cutting off contact, focusing on your own life, and leaning on your support system, you'll start to heal. And when you're ready to date again, keep your life balance and take things slow. Remember, you're not just getting over someone, you're growing into a stronger, more independent version of yourself. So what's been the hardest part for you in getting over an ex? Let's talk about it in the comments. I'm here to support you, and if this video gave you some helpful insights, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more advice on personal growth and relationships. See you in the next one.